Hello YouTube, hello everyone, my name is Ines and I'm here again to share another video with you guys. And if you are new here, my dear, do not forget to subscribe, like my video and share my video. Okay guys, so and I would like to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to you guys if you are sharing my video, if you are liking my video, and if you are leaving a comment. I just want to say thank you guys, I really appreciate. Okay, so I'm here again, as I said, to share a new video with you guys. Today I'm going to talk about a cream. The cream you can easily find, and the cream who is not expensive. The cream will give you at least one shade. Okay, in 1 week you will have one shade. It's a very powerful cream, and a lot of people out there already use it or already know this cream. Okay, so guys, yeah, the cream is I'm talking about is this cream, a Skin Light cream. Okay, this is how it looks like. I wanted to open it, and then yeah, I mess it up. Yeah, you guys already know this cream. Everybody knows this cream. Okay, you know this cream, guys. This is Skin Light cream, and this one I have all the stuff here. You know, I have cream, I have soap, and I have oil here. This oil is a very powerful oil, guys. This one will remove. This is very nice for dark spot. If you have dark spot on your face, you can dab it on those dark spot, and then this one will remove those dark spot. Okay, so today I have soap. Okay, this three stuff here. Okay, you can have this one, and is going to lightening your skin. Okay guys, so this is not joke. Okay, this is a very like old cream. Our sisters or aunties, I know that back home, I know this cream for a very long time. Okay, and this cream I've been using, I used it before, not now. This is not for me, but I already use it. But this one, I always have it. I always use the soap. I always use this one. As you can see, it's empty here. It's finished. You know, so I usually use this one, not the cream. Okay, but the cream is not bad. That's why I'm talking about it. It's a very good cream. It's a very powerful cream. And how to boost it up? This one, how to boost it, then it will be more effective, more strong, more powerful, to give you that complexion that you need faster. Okay, because it started to be beautiful out there. We are going to wear our dress soon, so we need like to be fast, and we need to look like you know, beautiful and nice. Okay, so I already say, when you have cream like this, how to mix it. I don't use tube, because tube my body doesn't accept the tube, so I do not use it. Okay, but I use cream. I always use oil, because oil is very powerful. It's going to boost your cream. So how it looks like, it's just a normal cream. Smell like those Abidjanese Carolite. They are all the same. I don't know the ingredients. They have one ingredient in common, which is hydroquinone. This one contains hydroquinone. It contains kojic acid, and is made about carrot, with carrot. Okay, it's made with carrot, and everybody knows that carrot is a lightening stuff. Okay, so when they put carrot, that means the stuff is going to lightening someone's body. But it's not just if you drink like a carrot juice, you will not look like I don't know. He will not lightening your skin. Okay, but this cream, those ingredients, when they put it in a cream, it become more effective, and it can lightening your body with the kojic acid and hydroquinone. Okay, so guys, If you want to use this cream and make it more stronger, more effective to give you that complexion that you want, you have to devise. I always say that here, guys, do not put this one in this. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, always devise your stuff. You need a half of this one. Put this one inside and mix it up, and then you need soap. Soap is very important because this is a exfoliating soap. This one they say is a bleaching treatment, okay, and it's not a lie, it's the truth. It's a bleaching treatment. When you wash your body several times with this one, is going to lightening your skin, because this one is going to exfoliate your body. It's going to remove all those skin you have on your body, and your skin will look glow, will look nice and beautiful. And then when this soap will clean up your skin, and then you apply your cream, it will work. Okay, that's the good way to use it, guys. So if you need this stuff to work fast, so you also need a soap. Soap is the first one we need. Okay, guys, use soap every day, morning and night. Take a shower with this soap. If you want to go with this, okay, if you want to go with this product, these 3 products will give you 1 shade in 1 week. Okay, guys, and that's the truth. So use the soap to exfoliate your body, to remove all those dark skin you have on you, okay, on your body. And then when your body is clean, then you will accept the cream. Okay, when the body is clean, he will accept the cream. When the body is dirty, he will not accept the cream to penetrate. Okay, so it's like that. So guys, use this stuff just easily. Use it carefully and it will give you a good result. If you use it badly, guys, this one will just damage your skin. I used it before. I didn't have a stretch mark with this. I don't know if there's someone out there who have a bad experience with this cream, but me, no. Okay, that's why I say this cream is very powerful, because it contains carrot, it contains hydroquinone, it contains kojic acid. So it's a very powerful cream. When you divide it and put this one in the half, you will have a very good result, and use it every day, twice. Okay, if you live like here, use it twice a day, morning and night, after washing your body with a soap. And then we will talk about good result. Okay, guys, so this one, when you use it, you can use it for 1 week, twice a week for 1 week. Okay, guys, when you use it for 1 week, after, do not use it every day again or twice a day again. Okay, now take a break. Take a break and use only those cream who will just moisturize your body. Now that week will be the week for break. In break week, you have just to moisturize your body. Okay, that's the key, guys. If you want those good complexion, you want to look nice, you want to be good, you want to be beautiful, take care about your skin, take care about your body, because this cream here, we don't really know what is inside. I always say that we don't really know what is really inside. They say that it contains kojic acid, yes. They say that it contains hydroquinone 2%, yes. But we don't know. Maybe it's 5% hydroquinone here. You don't know. So that's why it's important, guys, to take a break. Take a break when you use this kind of cream. When you use the bleaching stuff, you need to take a break. And when I say take a break, I mean that you need to moisturize your body, to give him a break with this stuff. Okay, because this stuff is really poison for your skin. Yes, we know that. That's why a lot of people have a damaged skin with this one. That's why a lot of people have a stretch marks with this one. But we can use it. If you use it carefully, as I said, he will just give you a good complexion. He will just lightening your body. You will not become Michael Jackson by using this. That's not true. Okay, but he will lightening your skin, he will lightening your body, he will give you, you know, maybe one shade. As I say, in 1 week you will have one shade. That's why I say you can use this one 1 week, twice a day. In the first week, use it 2 times a day, morning and night. Okay, and the second week, okay guys, go out there. I don't know, yes, I have it here. Go out there, find Jergens. Okay, find Jergens out there and moisturize your body for 1 week. And then the third week, you will go back in this, but use it just 3 days in a week. 3 days. Okay? You use it 3 times a week. And the rest of the day, moisturize. Because you already have the complexion that you need. That's a good way, guys, to use this stuff. When you use this stuff, okay, and then you notice that you already have the complexion that you need, stop, guys. Do not go again like every day. No, stop. Take a break by using your moisturizer, your moisturizing cream. Okay, just moisturize your skin, and then you will have, you know, the beautiful color. You will not look like red. No, you know, because the red color is not a nice color. You have to be looking like you need to look like orange, you know, like orange juice. Those color, not you don't want to look like a white, like I don't know, like this light here. No, you don't want to look like that too. So you need a beautiful color, and that beautiful color will come just when you moisturize after using this. Even though it's not this cream, or maybe if you're using Macari, you are using I don't know, Abidjanese, any dose of bleaching cream. When you use bleaching cream, learn how to take a break. In your break time, just moisturize. Okay guys, that's the key. When you exfoliate your body, you moisturize your body, and then when you use this stuff, he will work and you will have a beautiful skin. Okay guys, so hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. So this one is a very good cream if you use it in a good way, and you can just find it easily on Amazon or eBay. You can also find it out today in the local market. It's easy to find. Okay guys, so if you're really looking for something, you don't have money, you don't have like you know, that budget, you know, this one is a low budget and is good. Okay, so go with that, use it carefully, and you will have a very good result with that. So hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to share my video, to like my video, leave a comment down there, tell me if you already use this one, and share your result with this cream. Okay guys, so do not forget to subscribe guys, subscribe. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in another video. Bye bye.